Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Zero Uchiha Gaming. We're about to do another episode 2 of Five Nights at Freddy's 4. And I know you saw what happened last time. I got eaten by a cupcake, and I never liked it because I don't know how the cupcake got in. Got in. So this demo is really hard. So I'm really hoping that you all can help me and through this. Delta is here with me still. He is laughing at me for getting eaten by a cupcake. So let's hope we can get this started.
And I'm uploading to my channel.
And upload to my channel.
No, my channel.
Upload to his channel and tell him how big of a meanie he is for...
No.
I'm just joking. Okay, let's start this.
Over.
Night 2. Let's all start this, guys. I know all of you are watching me. I'm hoping I beat Night 2. If I don't get eaten by a cupcake again. Alright. First off. Nope.
Dude, you just got 5 subscribers.
Give me a sec. Hey, yep. Teddy. Teddy.
Hey, it's dead. Dang. I'm on fire,
I should have checked the door first. God. Chica! Oh my god. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. There's no way I'm gonna let Chica beat me. Let's go. Let's do it again. We're gonna try beat Night 2, people. This is my first time playing this, or so I say, another time playing this. And I'm really hoping Chica does not eat me from the door. Alright. Let's do this again, guys. Finally, Chica is not by the door. Hey, Teddy. Oh, now she's in the kitchen.
We're recording.
Oh, give me a sec. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have not seen Bonnie or Chica yet. I know Chica's in the kitchen.
I can make some cupcakes. What's that?
Guys, we're gonna beat this. We're gonna beat this, guys.
Stick together until the last moment.
Oh boy. Teddy bears?
What's that noise?
Guys, we might make it. So far, I've not gotten jump scared by by nightmares for a while now. Oh!
I'm trying. Oh, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take a little break for a minute. I think Night 2 has become more difficult. I understand what Markiplier's going through now. So, not only I got jump scared by Chica once, but I got jump scared by her a second time.
She's mean.
She is one mean bird. I thought she has changed, but unfortunately she hasn't. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. I will be back in a few minutes,
Wait, play some more.
but I'll make some more. And I'm hoping to beat Night 2, because this, I know it's been a little short video. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So, please subscribe me and say something about how to beat Night 2, because I'm trying. This is my first time playing a demo again. It's been a while. So, thank you for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye!